Take a ride in the 2022 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.